Hey guys, Peter here, and this is YEA-FRAME, helping owners build unique A-frames for others to envy. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. An owner builder can buy a kit home and pay thousands of dollars to have it shipped. Or they can buy an online house plan and struggle to build it themselves. But why isn't there a market for something between the two? By me providing a plan kit system comprised of plans, assembly videos, and a materials list, owner builders can follow along while saving money on their build. After all, if you're skilled enough to build a kit home, why can't you measure and make the cuts and connections yourself? YEA-FRAME allows you to pick out straight lumber and schedule deliveries from your local lumber yard while building according to your own time frame. More than that, you can choose your doors, windows, siding, and roofing to personalize your build. My premiere video showed me preparing for a monolithic slab foundation. Thank goodness for time-lapse. It makes it look like I'm crushing it. While the foundation base settles with rain, I have been busy this week working on my 12x16 shed. After finishing up some more projects with the shed, I plan on putting up some batter boards and string to define the foundation so I can go ahead and begin to rough in the plumbing for the 2-bed, 2-bath prototype. Being new at posting videos, I'll try my best to post one every 7 to 10 days. So stay tuned. Bye for now, and thanks for visiting.